The Quran is the shifa. The tradition or the way our messenger taught us is to read on yourself, do self-ruqya. And I will give you some ayats and things that you can read. Muwathatayn are obviously things that you read ثلاث مرات بعد صلاة الفجر وصلاة صلاة المغرب. You can read 3 times. ثلاث مرات. You can read Falak, Nas, you can read Ikhlas. Some of the scholars mention you can read Ya Ayyuhal Kafirun as well, the vocals. Then you can read like Bismillahil ladhi la yadurru masmihi shay'un fil ardi wala fis sama'i wa huwas sami'ul alim. You can read this 3 times after Fajr, 3 times after Maghrib. You can read anything, Ayatul Kursi. You can read the last part of Surah Baqarah. Read these things and blow on yourself. Do not go to these people because it strengthens the magic and the dependence and the reliance on these kind of things.